Y'all, so we out here, made it to our destination. Just waiting to get loaded now. Gonna hop on the charts or whatnot. Alright, y'all, we just got loaded. And Gold just gave me a nice, beautiful demand setup right here. I got my EMAs lined up how I like to see them. All I'm waiting for is for Gold to come back and tap into my zone. And we're gonna go to the upside for a long position for a 1-to-1. Hopefully a 1-to-2. This is the current balance right now. So we're gonna see if this trade set up for us. And also I think NASDAQ has a setup playing out as well. Let me see, let me check on NASDAQ real quick. I just got a notification. Q. I had this zone marked out for NASDAQ right here. It's not really what I be looking for, but if I can get a break above here, I will enter for a 1-to-1. So we're gonna see what they price does on NASDAQ, y'all. Let me mark it out for right now. Put that bitch right there. What the fuck? That was strange. That shit went way down there. It's crazy. That'd be a crazy ass stop loss. Yo, that'd be a wicked stop loss, y'all. Already wicked. So shit, if I get a break above here, shit, and target a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 would be right. That's just a little tick above or whatever. That'll be that. Well, we still got 2 minutes on this candle, y'all, so. Alright, so we about to get an entry on NASDAQ. If we could break above. I just need a strong break above and I'm gonna enter a boom. I just entered on NASDAQ, y'all. Place my stop right here. And we're gonna let price do what it do. I got a 1-to-1 mark right here, and I got a 1-to-2 right here. Yo, tell me why the fuck my connection just went out mid-trade, y'all. My heart fucking dropped. But we still in here, y'all. Currently up 100 in profit. We still in this trade. I ain't gonna lie. Having good connection while trading is mandatory, bro. Like, cause when shit like that happen and you in a trade, man, wipe my camera screen for y'all real quick. But yeah, being in a trade and your connection go out, that'd be like some wicked shit. I tell you that. That'd be some wicked shit. Like, you don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. Just hoping your connection come back as soon as possible. But yeah, we still in this trade, y'all. We holding, man. We holding. I love that price did not close in my zone on this one. Let me see what gold doing. For real though. Let me see what gold doing. Because gold was an A+ setup. I don't know if it came back into my zone yet. Yeah, gold ain't come back into my zone. Gold's still right here doing what it do. But I'm not even worried about gold. And honestly, I said if I lose this trade, I'm gonna take another one. But now if I lose this trade, I'm gonna just be done for the day, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna just get on the road, just be disciplined. And you know, it's not wrong with taking 2 trades a day. If you lose a trade and you take another trade and you win that trade, boom, you know, good. If you lose that trade and you lose the second trade, you should be done for the day, you know. Or if you lose the first trade and you break even on the second trade, you should be done for the day. But the way I'm feeling right now, I feel like this one trade should be good for me, y'all. Win or lose, I'm gonna be done for the day. I'm gonna just get on the road because I do got a long drive to Tennessee. I just got loaded. We still in Florida. Just got loaded. And we just gonna let this trade play out, y'all. We gonna be disciplined. Try to get my camera to focus. Be disciplined, and yeah, that's where we at right now with the balance or whatnot. About to go to that 1-to-1 again. And yeah, y'all, it's a beautiful day today. You know, today is Monday. And yeah, it's amazing, y'all. It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm looking to get a break above this previous high right here. If I get a break above this previous high, that would just be beautiful. That would be beautiful. chewing on that, bro. Yeah. Yeah, nigga. I'll be blowing his ass with this little air pressure shit. Niggas gotta be playing too much. Trying to chew on shit. Yeah, nigga, I'm talking about you. The fuck? The fuck? Back up, boy. I'm standing on business right now, man. That's what we looking like, y'all. Let me get that break. Let me get that break, y'all. Let me get that break. Give me that break. Give me that break on this candle. I need that break on this candle right here. Do not push down, even though I feel like it's about to. I need that break on this candle because this candle didn't break that high. So if I get a break on this candle, we're beautiful. We're beautiful. I would need it right now though. Before that push down. Yeah, I don't like that. You don't like that. You don't like that. Come on, give me that break. You know you want to give me that break. Let me get that break to the other side. I just need your ass up, bitch. Take off. Take off. Alright, price to give me a little retracement right here, y'all. Give me a little retracement. I got a long drive today. I got a 10-hour drive. But, you know, this ain't nothing new. We do this shit on a regular, on a daily. I'm probably gonna drive 5 hours. I'm gonna get to Atlanta and I'm gonna park up. We about to get that break, y'all. I can feel it. Boom, beautiful. That's what I love to see. Currently up. It should focus. Up 360. 4 counts, y'all. Need that 1 or 2. As soon as I get the 1 or 2, I'm moving my TP right here to 1 or 1, y'all. Actually, no, I'm moving 1 or 2. Tripping. I'm tripping. Alright, this looks like it's gonna be like an indecision. Like, I don't know what I want to do from here. Let me see how much time we have on this candle left. Nasdaq. Peace out, Nasdaq. I'm that live. Yeah, we got 2 minutes. I mean, 3 minutes, sorry. 3 minutes on this candle, y'all. Alright, so what I'm waiting for is for price to get to this 1 to 2 so I can move my TP to 1 to 1, y'all. In the meantime, I'm moving to break even, y'all. It'll be a risk-free trade, y'all. That way I'm not losing nothing, you know. I'm just holding. I'm just holding and letting price do what it do. From here. So this is now a risk-free trade. We currently 400 in profit, y'all. This might be a long video, but I want y'all to see like just the whole trade, how I manage the trade and whatnot, and like what I'm doing for real, because yeah, actually I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds. I want to see how this candle closes before I even start fucking with my stop, because if my candle could close at least like right here, I'm moving my stop to above the 1 to 1 mark, y'all. So let me get my horizontal line right here so I can mark out where the price is. 420 is like right here, boom. That's $420 at this line right here. I don't like how this price just dropped like that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. See how much time we got left? We got 52 seconds. Hopefully we can close in the green. If we close in the green, that's beautiful. We just gonna continue to hold, y'all. And honestly, if price could get back above to like above this line right here, I'm gonna move my TP to this line just so we can secure that 420 that we had on there. And if it comes down to stop us out, that's fine. Because honestly, this candle right here, as I'm looking, I don't like this candle how it's forming and whatnot. So if we could push above this line, I'm gonna go ahead and move my TP, my stop right here, my TP or whatever. I mean my stop loss, sorry. Just trail right now, see what it does. How much time we got left on this candle? We got 1 second on this candle, y'all. Let's see how this candle closes. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. My stuff right here, right below that candle, just in case. I don't like that indecision, y'all. I don't like that indecision right there. I don't know what I want to do right now. So we're going to continue to hold, y'all. We're going to continue to hold. If I could get a break above here, that'd be beautiful. I need a break above this previous high, and that'd be beautiful. That'd be magnificent. Magnificent. I just need a strong push above so I can move my TP to right here. My stop loss, I mean. And honestly, don't like how this kind of moving right now. This is kind of moving weird. Kind of moving weird. That kind of moving weird. I don't like that. I might close, y'all. I don't like that momentum towards the downside. But then again, I do got my stop right here. So if price should come down, just, you feel me? Instead of me closing, I got my stop right here. So yeah. Well, I kind of got it above that zone, though. But it should be like right here. Alright, y'all, I got my stop right there. Just in case price come down, you know, to just stop me out instead of me just trailing it and getting wicked out. I'm gonna just leave it right there because this right here would be a safe zone because there shouldn't be no reason for price to come and break this low. And if price break this low, that'd just be me taking out me being taken out of the trade, you know, as it should be. Instead of me, you know, trying to trail it and getting wicked out and it never break this low. And I realize that a lot, just me back testing and just me and my strategy. If price ever come back and break the previous low, that just means that price would most likely continue to go downwards, y'all. And from the looks of it, I don't know what price is doing right now. It's kind of indecisive on what I want to do. And I don't like that momentum towards the downside. Let me see what the 1 minute doing. Okay, the 1 minute, we got this 15 right here. So I would love to see price reject heavy off this 15 minute and just push back up, you know? And on the 1 minute, I would love to see price to break this high right here. If price could break this high, that'd be real beautiful, y'all. And this is just me analyzing it and just seeing what I want to see, what I want the market to give me. Could we break that high on the 1 minute? Because if we break that high on the 1 minute, I would love for price to just continue to push upwards, honestly. Because it did come and reject. So I thought you could be a whole ass nigga for real. Like, come on, bro. Don't be like that, bro. Don't even be like that, bro. Real shit. I don't like that shit you be doing sometimes, though. Z, nigga being green as fuck, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Watch out, bro. Watch out. You're doing too much. Watch out. He being a green ass nigga, y'all. Green ass nigga. Whole ass nigga. Green ass nigga. Whole ass nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Ugly ass nigga. Alright, y'all. That right there was a trade for the day, y'all. 150 in profit. You know? But it's all good. Let me see what gold is doing. Even though I said I'm not going to take another trade, which I'm not. I just want to see what gold is doing real quick. Really should have closed at that 1-1. Yeah, gold doing what it do. Go on NASDAQ. See what NASDAQ was doing. Alright, so yeah, the fact that NASDAQ did that weird ass shit is kinda crazy. It's kinda crazy. But yeah, we finna get on the road, y'all. That's the trade for the day. You know, secure 150 in profit. You know, it's all good. You know, we closing the W. And yeah, look what that shit wanna do now. You see how I wanna reverse right here? I don't like that shit, bro. You know how weird that shit. You see that? Y'all see that shit? Y'all need to see that shit. Ain't gonna that shit weird. That shit weird as fuck. Man, like, if I could get a break above this high, I might enter again, y'all, honestly. They put my stop right here. That's only if I get a break above this high. If not, I'm just out of here for the day. I'm out of here for the day. Or if I get a break above this high, I might enter again. But would that be following my trading plan? No, that would not be following my trading plan. Because I just said I'm going to take one trade for the day. You see how the mind works? You know, I said I was going to be done. And now I said I'm going to hop in. Again, that's the psychology. That's the shit. You feel me? That's just being on the charts too long. You know what? Let me be disciplined. Log out and close my fucking laptop, y'all. Throw that bitch back there. You feel me? You gotta catch yourself sometimes. I be having to catch myself sometimes. I be ready to hop in another trade. You know, it's just the whole shit of it, y'all. But yeah, we're gonna get on the road, man. This that Florida weather for you. It was just rainy. Well, it was just sunny. Now it's rainy as fuck. Florida, Florida, Florida. Why is my name Florida? Hey, let me know if y'all know where that from. What show that from? Why is my name Florida? Florida. Hey, y'all, but we on the way to Tennessee, man. We gonna go ahead and get over there. Take y'all on a little road trip. Do y'all like going on road trips? Drop it in the comments if y'all like going on road trips. Y'all let me know. But this rain looking crazy right now. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the road, y'all. Z, go. Go. Down. Good boy. What it is, y'all. I just got out of the shower. I'm done driving for the day. I was reviewing my trade earlier, you know, just journaling and rewatching the video that I recorded of me taking the trade. And I noticed that I believe I was at my highest point. I believe we were at the higher highs. And there was nothing to the left. You know how they be like, when you trade, always look to the left? I didn't look to the left today. And after I took the trade, I looked to the left. I'm like, wait, we don't have a high, a higher high. We're at the highest point. So when price broke above that 1-to-1 mark and it started rejecting, I should have got out as soon as it started rejecting, because there was nothing like to the left of me. You know, I was at the highest point. So it was like nothing that price could attract itself to. What I realized, you know, off of me just reviewing my trade that I took today, I suggest everybody review your trade after you take a trade. Review what you did wrong, what you could have did different. Because even though I had a winning trade, I could have secured that 1-to-1. But I was trying to go for a 1-to-2. And there's nothing wrong with going for a 1-to-2. But me personally, I feel like I got to master that 1-to-1 first. You know, consistently hitting 1-to-1s. And I have been doing that, you know, because when I do target a 1-to-2, it'll go to a 1-to-1, but price will, like, this will be my 1-to-1 mark. Price will actually go above my 1-to-1, but it wouldn't come to my 1-to-2. It'll be like right here, then it go back down. So it wouldn't really fully hit that 1-to-2, that TP, right? But I'll always go past the 1-to-1. So I'm gonna start taking profit at 1-to-1s. Really just keep trailing my stop to a 1-to-1. As soon as I get the 1-to-1, I'm gonna trail it from there. And if price come down and whip me out, that's cool. But if it continue pushing up, then that I'm a further trail with it, right? So that's what I noticed, just me reviewing the trade and just analyzing what I did today. You know, even though I had a winning trading day, I was very disciplined, stuck to my plan, and they don't get no better than that. You know, I'm content with what I had today. You know, it was a slight win, 150. I'm very content with that. You know, in a couple minutes made 150. Like, come on now, you can't beat that. You know, it could have been 4 something, but you know, price reversed on me. But just me analyzing it just shows that like what I could have done different. You know, when you analyze your trades, you just see what you could have done different and whatnot, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. I just want to give y'all a little quick rundown of what I noticed on the chart today that could have been avoided, you know, and that could have, you know, gave me potential gains that I could have capitalized off of. I still capitalized because I made 150, but you know, I could have had more capital on top of that, right? But you know, overall, I'm content with what I made today. Very proud of myself. I stuck to my trading plan. And yeah, simple as that, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and y'all just see me on the next one. That's up, kid. Out. For the greenies, he go crazy. This way. Down. Good boy. Go. Jump. Jump. Jump it. This way. Down. Go. Go. Jump it. Haha. Now wait, my boy. Yes. Yes. I would love that shit. That's your favorite snack? That's your favorite snack? Fucking that shit up, huh? You love that shit, boy. You love that shit. Go ahead, bro. Enjoy your snack.